Welcome back. Well, we all know that communication is key, no matter if you're fighting crime or a first responder. And if you're looking for an affordable solution, one that you can depend on, look no further than Premier Wireless. I'm here with Lee. And Lee, I tell you what, very impressed with this because this is a lifeline for first responders, law enforcement, etc. Communication, I can tell what the problem is, I can respond appropriately. Tell us a little bit about your company.
So we've been in business for 30 years. I'm president and CEO. We've been focused the entire time on providing equipment and services to both the education as well as the public sector space, including law enforcement and public safety. It is everything that we do every day.
And you have so many different solutions, don't you?
Yes, we do.
I'm really impressed with the solution that you have here on the end. Tell us a little bit about that.
So that is our network in a box. And the network in a box is a portable solution that allows law enforcement to literally open a briefcase, push a button, and have internet connectivity in about a minute, minute and a half. It's portable, fast, T-Mobile 5G. It is a phenomenal solution to keep law enforcement connected whenever and wherever they are.
And there may be many opportunities. They could be in a rural area where fiber optics isn't. They may be responding to a crisis, and they're going to have a solution that's dependable and that's affordable.
Absolutely. And you know, we're going into hurricane season and fire season, depending where in the country we are. And you never know when all of a sudden you need to stand up an instant command center, and this network in a box will allow you to do that.
And how many devices could you connect to something like that, roughly?
So in one of our mid-size basic boxes, you can have 100 endpoints or 100 pieces of equipment connecting to it. But we can build it out larger. We can put in their screens and, you know, desk phones and pretty much anything you wanted, and we could build it to 200, 400, 600 people, whatever they need.
You know, that's amazing, especially a push of a button. A minute later, you're in business and people are talking.
Absolutely.
So with that, you know, they can bring their laptops, they can bring their cell phones, they can bring their tablets and send these critical messages of information, no matter if it's responding to a disaster or maybe they're investigating a crime scene or something. They need information, they can have that fast. You also have a really cool solution right here in front of you.
We do. This is what we call a Go Kit. Every emergency, there's never enough communication. People use their personal cell phones. You get different agencies coming in, especially in rural America. There's not enough law enforcement to support them. And with a portable Go Kit, you can have emergency communication on the side that's programmed, ready to hand out when and where that emergency happens.
Just amazing solutions. Premier Wireless, and with all that information you gave us right now, I know you have to have the attention. All of our viewers out there wanting that critical time where they can power something up and have communications. What's the best way for them to learn more about Premier Wireless?
They can simply go to our website, premierwireless.com.
From there, they can learn about all your solutions, start a conversation, and get going.
Absolutely, yes, they can.
Leah, thank you so much for being on.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.